Here I have OPPO K11 and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly tap on this arrow here, then select preferred language, I'll just stay with English, tap next, then select your region, tap continue, and you have to agree with user agreement and privacy security, tap next. Then you can insert SIM card if you have it on you. If you don't have SIM card, you can just skip this step and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also just... Then you have to connect to the Wi-Fi, no other way. So let's connect to some network. Tap next. And you have to select if you wish to transfer like your data from your previous device. If you want to do it, tap next. If you don't want, just tap don't copy. Then you can sign into the Google account if you have one, and then you can just create one or just skip it and don't do this at all. Then you have Google services, which I suggest you to disable, and tap accept. Then you have to select like your search engine, could be duck for me. Then you can set up unlock method, but you can also just skip this step and do this later in settings. Then tap on this tick here to deselect all these apps and tap OK. Then you select the navigation method. I suggest you to use gestures. If you don't know how to use them, you can go through tutorial here. Tap next. And you have these recommended features. I suggest to disable them and tap done. And now your device is ready to be used finally. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.